Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience with using Starling Bank. Starling Bank, https://www.starlingbank.com, is a digital bank operating in the UK. It offers personal, joint, business, and teen accounts, all managed through a sleek mobile app. One of the standout features is its real-time spending notifications, which give you instant insights into where your money is going. Furthermore, Starling provides helpful budgeting tools to help you track and manage your finances effectively. They also offer seamless international money transfers with competitive exchange rates, making it a convenient option for those who frequently travel or send money abroad. Security is a top priority for Starling, with features like two-factor authentication and in-app card locking providing peace of mind. They've also garnered numerous awards for their innovative approach to banking, further solidifying their reputation as a reliable and modern financial institution. Their customer service is often praised for its responsiveness and helpfulness, which is a key factor for many when choosing a bank. Additionally, Starling has integrated with a range of third-party financial apps, allowing for a more connected and personalized financial management experience. For businesses, they offer features like invoicing and expense categorization, streamlining day-to-day operations. They are constantly evolving and adding new features, demonstrating a commitment to staying at the forefront of the digital banking landscape. With no monthly fees for their standard current account, Starling Bank presents a compelling option for those looking for a modern, feature-rich, and user-friendly banking experience. While they might not have physical branches like traditional banks, their fully digital approach allows for greater accessibility and convenience in today's fast-paced world. Considering their comprehensive features and positive customer feedback, exploring Starling Bank might be a worthwhile endeavor for those seeking a fresh perspective on banking. They are authorized and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority and Prudential Regulation Authority, adding an extra layer of security and trust for their users. Their commitment to transparency and customer satisfaction is clearly evident in their communications and the way they operate. From a personal perspective, the ease of use and the control it gives me over my finances are standout features.